If you will never study for an exam, you should probably skip this video. To all of my fellow college students, hello. My name is Matthew Hudson, and I'm a Presidential Student Ambassador at West Virginia University. Like you, I have studied for plenty of exams throughout my time in college. One thing I always find myself needing, though, is a change of scenery, somewhere that lends itself well to studying, but is different from studying at my desk at home. Today, we are going to learn how to reserve a study room at a library on campus and the related policies. Regardless of which library you may find yourself near on campus, there are dedicated rooms for studying. First, I want to introduce you to the online platform where you make your reservations. You may find it beneficial to pause this video for each of the following steps as you practice reserving a study room yourself. First, you will want to visit the WVU Library homepage, library.wvu.edu. Then, in the top right corner, press Study Rooms, and you will be transferred to the virtual booking system. Here, you will have the ability to select your location, for example, the downtown campus library. You can also select category, and in this section, you should keep it as study room. And finally, you can select your capacity for rooms that accommodate as few as 3 people and as many as 9 or more people. Again, these will all differ depending on your study needs. At this point, results will automatically populate based off of the information that you previously selected. Red boxes indicate that the rooms are unavailable, and green boxes indicate their availability. Here, you can also select the hyperlink in the leftmost column entitled Space to view a picture of the room in which you would be booking and some of the amenities in each room. You may choose to book a room depending on its floor, but that's simply a personal preference. After deciding on the study room and time that works for you, simply click the green box at the time you wish to begin studying. From here, you can select the length of your booking and then press Submit. An email will be sent to your Mix email for verification. In addition to booking a study room, there are a few policies pertaining to study rooms for which you should be made aware. Each student at WVU is allowed to reserve up to 3 hours of study rooms per week, from Sunday to Saturday, and as a result, each reservation can be made for no more than 3 hours at a time. In addition, students are not permitted to make more than 3 reservations in any 7-day period. But be careful. Once your reservation time has begun, you can no longer cancel this reservation, and you will lose this time from your weekly allotment. While this may sound confusing and bureaucratic, know this. It is done to ensure that all students on campus have access to a study room at a time when they need it, and the policies will be listed as a reminder for you each time you go to book your room. Studying in an environment that is conducive to collaborating with friends, writing on a whiteboard, and utilizing a large screen can significantly improve your satisfaction with your study habits, and even improve your success in the classroom. Now that you know how to reserve a study room, I hope that you will make use of these facilities all across our campus, which are free for students at WVU. For more information, please visit the library homepage, library.wvu.edu, or feel free to ask one of the employees at the library front desks. Remember, college is all about balance, so study hard and be sure to enjoy the journey along the way.